Welcome to LunoTax. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Navigating the world of sales tax can be a daunting task, especially for businesses operating across multiple states. Thankfully, there's a solution designed to simplify and streamline this complex process, LunoTax, found at www.lunotax.com. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools to manage sales tax efficiently, helping businesses stay compliant and avoid costly penalties. LunoTax addresses the numerous challenges businesses face with sales tax, from determining nexus, the connection that creates a tax obligation in a state, to accurately calculating and filing returns. Their services cover everything from registration and compliance to ongoing management and even audit support. This isn't just about filling out forms. LunoTax provides valuable insights into your sales tax data, offering a clear picture of your liabilities and potential risks. They leverage technology to automate tedious tasks, freeing up your time and resources to focus on core business operations. This automation not only increases efficiency but also minimizes the risk of human error, ensuring accurate and timely filings. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive dashboards and reporting tools that provide a comprehensive overview of your sales tax obligations. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, LunoTax offers scalable solutions to meet your specific needs. They pride themselves on providing exceptional customer support, with a team of experts ready to assist you every step of the way. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to manage your sales tax, head over to www.lunotax.com to learn more about how LunoTax can help simplify your processes and ensure compliance. Take the headache out of sales tax management and let LunoTax handle the complexities for you. Exploring their website provides a detailed overview of their features, pricing, and the value they bring to businesses of all sizes. Don't let sales tax compliance become a burden. Visit www.lunotax.com today.